You probably have heard how good heart of palm is, but you might not know how to cook it, what to do with it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a heart of palm salad. Let's get started. For this recipe, I am only adding 1/4 of a medium-sized onion. You can slice it lengthwise or against the layers. Just make sure to cut it carefully and very thin. Place the slices in a small bowl and add the juice of 1 lime. I will leave the link to the juicer in the description box if you want to check it out. Stir well to make sure the onion is fully coated with the lime juice. This step removes the raw, pungent flavor and makes the onion much more pleasant to eat in this salad. Set it aside. Continue prepping the rest of the ingredients. Julienne, the red bell pepper, that reminds me, you can also substitute it with green, yellow, or any other color you like. Place the prepared ingredients in a large bowl where we will be mixing the salad later. Now let's move on to the tomatoes. I love using cherry tomatoes because they instantly make any salad look fancy. Mine were a bit larger than usual, so I cut them in half and then half again. You can really use any type of tomato for this recipe. I love tender celery leaves. They have a slightly stronger flavor than the stalks. In this salad, I only want the crunchiness from the heart of palm, so I use leaves to avoid competing textures. But if celery stalks is all you have, go ahead and use them. Finally, chop the cilantro and add it to the bowl. Next, let's prep the palmito, or heart of palm. You can slice it lengthwise or cut it into rounds. I prefer rounds for this salad, but the cut only affects appearance. The flavor stays the same way. Try to keep the slices about the same thickness. They're easy to cut, though they sometimes stick to your knife, and every now and then, a few pieces will roll off your cutting board. FYI, there's no specific order in which you need to prep the vegetables. I left the heart of palm for last for no particular reason. Now, remove the onion from the lime juice and add it to the salad bowl. Save the juice. We're going to use it to build the dressing. Add the mayonnaise, mustard, and salsa Lizano. I will leave a link for that too, but you can skip it if you prefer. Then add the agave, which balances all the acidity we've been adding so far, plus the salt and pepper. Use the whisk to combine everything. It will look a little chunky at first, but keep whisking and it will smooth out. Taste it. Please, always taste it and adjust the flavors to your liking. Mine was and now I'm ready to add it to the salad. But hold on a minute, I'm not adding all of it, especially if I'm not eating the salad right away. Only add the dressing right before you're about to serve it, and as much as you like. Start with a little, stir, taste, and then decide if you want to add more. Stir with the spatula, never with the fork. And oh my God, look at those colors mixing together. It looks delicious. Feel free to add more veggies to this salad. You could toss in sliced radishes, julienne spinach, red onion, and more. Take a look at the bottom of my bowl. See how it's looking a bit dry? We're going to fix it by adding just a little bit more dressing. There you go. Now it's perfect. Taste it one last time, adjust the salt or pepper if needed, and serve it right away. I'm serving mine with a plate of fluffy rice and breaded tilapia. Absolutely delicious. And if you don't know what heart of palm is, I'm going to link this video where I answer a couple of questions about it. And if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss out any other delicious recipe like this one. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.